Hello everyone. In today's video, we're going to see about the top most unique birds in the world. Number 10 is the shoebill. The shoebill is a large, long-legged wading bird with a distinctive wide bill. It is a species of stork found in tropical and subtropical zones of eastern Africa. The shoebill is a large bird, typically standing at around 4.9 feet tall, with a wingspan of up to 8.2 feet. Its body is mostly gray, with darker feathering on the head, neck, back, and wings. The shoebill's bill is dominated by a large, flat, ivory-colored surface with a sharp, hooked tip. Number 9 is the puffins. The puffins are one of the most recognizable seabirds. They are about 30 centimeters in length with a wingspan of 50 to 60 centimeters. They have black and white feathers with a bright orange and yellow beak and colorful feet. They also have bright bushy feathers sprouting from the back of their heads. Puffin ranges vary depending on the species, but most are found in North America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. Number 8. The lyrebird. The lyrebirds are amongst the most remarkable of all birds. They are medium-sized ground-dwelling birds native to woodland areas in the southeast of Australia. Lyrebirds have long legs and a tail which is twice as long as their body and gives them an almost regal appearance. Their bodies are grey with bright orange wings and they have long, thin beaks. The size and weight of the lyrebird is around 90 centimeters in length and can reach a weight of up to 1.6 kilograms. Number 7 is the Hoatzin. The Hoatzin, also called as the Kanye peasant, is an unusual looking bird found throughout the tropics of northern South America. It has an orange-red crest, brown-streaked black wings and a tail with whitish edges, and mottled sandy and grey underside. The beak is unusual, having two lobes, and the feet have two forward-facing toes and two that point backward, making the Hoatzin quite an efficient climber of trees and other vegetation. Number 6. The Scarlet ibis. The scarlet ibises are large and beautiful wading birds notable for their distinctive reddish-orange color. These stunning birds have large, broad wings for efficient soaring, long legs and curved beaks which they use to probe for small invertebrates. Scarlet ibises have long, graceful necks and long, thin, decurved bills which can reach up to nearly 6 inches in length. They also have distinctive pink, black, and white bare skin around the eyes and on the head. Number 5 is the Frigatebirds. The Frigatebirds are large seabirds with a distinctive black and white plumage. On average, they are around 90 centimeters in length and have wingspan of up to 2.5 meters. Frigatebirds have long pointed wings that extend from their heads to their long black tails. They have black bills and eyes and are characterized by their long hooked beaks. These birds also have bright red throat pouches, which they expand while in flight to show off to potential mates. Number 4 in the list is the hummingbirds. The hummingbirds are small, colorful birds with compact bodies and long, thin bills. They are typically brightly colored, often with metallic feathers in blues and greens. The smallest hummingbird species is the bee hummingbird, which measures just 2 inches in length and weighs less than 1/10 of an ounce, that is 2.8 grams. The largest hummingbird species is a giant hummingbird, which measures around 8 inches in length and has a wingspan of 12 inches. Number 3. Black herons. The black herons are quite distinctive in appearance, with their iridescent glossy black plumage, long legs, and a sharp pointed beak. They have tiny white spots along the back of their head, neck, and wings, which can extend all the way down to their tail. They also have bright yellow eyes and a big neck ruff while in flight, which shows off their long trailing leg feathers. Number 2. Temminck's Tragopan. The Temminck's Tragopan is a medium-sized pheasant with strong colors and a vivid plumage. It is characterized by its bright orange breast and white turquoise speckled wings, and has been called the most beautiful pheasant in the world. It has a distinctive bill and beard, a wattle, and a tuft of feathers on its head. The male has a white throat and a deep blue collar, while the female is distinguished by its brown streaked chest and back. Top of the list at number 1 is a king vulture. The king vulture has a white and grey body covered in patches of black, red, orange, yellow, and gold feathers. It has an impressive wingspan that can reach 6.5 feet. Its head is red in color, while its neck and back feathers are shaggy and mostly white, with some yellow and black accents. Its beak is large and hooked, and its talons are huge and powerful. The wings of this bird have an intricate pattern of dark and light feathers that form a kind of chevron pattern. Thank you for watching.